How to check out in Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to check out in Temu application. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install Temu application on your device and launch it from your home screen. Make sure to sign in and log into your particular account. Now, once you're on the home screen of Temu, simply select You button or you can easily select the items first of all and add to the cart. Once done, select the cart icon at bottom right corner next to You icon. Now you will reach on this cart page where you can easily see your selected items that you want to purchase or check out. If you have a lot of items selected on the cart, simply if you want to check out only one item, you can uncheck mark the other item and then select only the particular item. After a while, tap checkout at bottom right corner of the screen. And now you will reach on the section where you have to enter all your payments method like either you want to purchase with the CAD like Visa or debit or credit card PayPal method, Afterpay, Klarna, and many more. Once you have added the payment method, you have to add the card details like the number, expirations, or date, CVV, and many more. And then tap the submit order button. And after that, you can easily check out in Temu application. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.